Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holders? What's going on this time? SiaCoin price will increasing. You can see here from last 12 hours, about 2.4%. You can see the price is pumps up. So I think it's not temporary pump. It's really permanent, and I'm 100% sure, my friends, in upcoming time the SiaCoin price will more increasing. But definitely after a fail, absolutely every coin will get a profit. So therefore, as you can see here from last 3 days, 4.79% the price is pumps up. So what is, my friends, the next pump? I absolutely the really, my friend, I try to understand to in upcoming time the really huge explosion is coming soon. So don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down for a short time, this does not mean to you are also starting selling. Absolutely, a lot of holders are doing this huge mistake to when they will see, my friends, a temporary term. Absolutely, after that they will starting selling. So I think you are doing very huge mistake. Kindly holders, don't do this mistake. I'm 100% sure, my friends, so after this term they will also take a very huge pump and give you a very good profit. So I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of money if you are starting holding, and if you are starting selling, then remember you will never get a profit. You are very badly finished down. So please take a risk, get 100% profit. My advice for all of you to please hold down. And what's your advice, what's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. This is very important for everyone. I need, my friend, your opinion. Alright, so please, my friend, if you are new in crypto, just and only follow ABS Tech channel. You will earn a lot of money. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. SiaCoin will completely on the profit. Don't starting selling. Allah Hafiz, take care.